When you can recognize my paths shall be yours, in symphony with the universal principles of living in harmony with the universal being, the universal one. Not unlike the universe with its plurality and unity, various arts are similar and cannot be separated from each other. My freedom of artistic expression and the use of different mediums have made it possible for me to express an idea or symbol in many different ways. Some moments of happiness are instantaneous and can be captured through photography. Others grow out of an emotion that can be captured in a painting, and others, well, will only work with words. In the early 1990s, I moved to Athens, Greece, and I was privileged to be a teacher to little children using art and drama in a lovely school called Stepping Stones. For a project, we talked about nature, and for this I wrote these selection of poems. I have chosen 6 for you. The sky. I am the one who beholds the stars, the breeze and the sun. I am the one who guards can't trespass, from whom you can't run. I am the one maker of glittering rain, to where all come. I am the one who changes the world through light's dark fun. Night. This is the night, crossing all borders, nothing escaping, all elapsing into shadows, creator of fears, mourners, the power of darkness in us all, mood changer, all running to the light, creator of moon and prayers. Mountains. Through tremors of earth I am to be born. To hills and valleys I give birth. Haven of gods all up high, loyalty to Olympus sworn. When you fight over me, the dead inside me lie, molten, blood-stained stone, the song of him against he. Actually means nothing after you die. I belong to nobody. Light. Possess. I possess the life, growth. I see everything. No man is a stranger, no shadow. Possess. I possess the heart, light. I am everything. Seeded grasses, a golden leaf. So haughty, I have to smile. The wind. As a spirit I appear, to steer man's ship, to anger the sea, and to glide the hawk. As fear I disappear, smell the storm in my airs. Branches will dance, flowers will flatten, and heavens will rumble. Pray, I'm in good fares. Look at me in his eyes. His hair will rustle, and his mouth will smile as he leans to, elated for the coolness of my cries. The seas. I cover the vast lands with a liquid form I may fill your hands, and full of colours unforeseen, up to the skies and back, purple, blues and greens. It depends if I'm fighting with the sun or dancing with the moon, the moods that are to be sung.